professor from the university with language as her specialty. As the professor walked around the cages, she found the language truly outrageous. She stood there amazed. Her eyes started tearing. I can't believe all these sounds I am hearing. Who ever heard of pigs that say neigh? Neigh, neigh. Or monkeys that shamelessly stand there and bray? Hee-haw, hee-haw. Lions that crow? Wackadoo. Goats that bark? Ruff, 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 ruff. And a cat. Worst of all, a cow that says meow? Meow, meow. This is just awful. I'll have to correct. It's really much worse than I ever expected.